Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small Amazon haul to share with you guys. It's kind of trying to wait for the rest of my order to come in, but I'll just go with this for now. So let me just cut these open and I can get these items out. These came pretty dirty. I don't know, girl. These packages have been dirty lately. Okay. So yes, bunch of dies. Yes. So if you haven't seen my Urban Gems haul, I recently picked up the Snowflake Rosette die from Nurse Tara from her shop. But I wanted to get some Valentine's related kind of dies because I don't have much. I do have dies, but not for Valentine's. Anyway, I got this layered hearts, and this is not a KS Craft die. This is the Wise shop, I guess. It's on Amazon. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5. And I think the largest heart is about 4.5. And the smallest is about just under an inch. Just about under an inch. Okay, so that's one. And then this one is from, this is not from KS Crafts, but this is it's a different shop, still on Amazon. I just typed in like heart dies in the search bar. And this is what came up. So I got a bunch of dies in this one order. And I got a background heart die and a few other different types of dies. Okay, so I got this one, and I gotta pull up the picture because this was all together. It was a set. Oh, this is a balloon die. It's a balloon die. So you got all these little tiny hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts, tiny hearts. And then you have the large heart balloon. And you have this one here. It looks like it could be a banner rod or whatever that it hangs from, but this is the string for the balloon. So that's a cute set. And then I got this one. Well, it's all together. It was one set. It's a tree with hearts as leaves, and then there's 2 little lovebirds in the tree on a swing. So I got that one. That was in it. And then you have this little heart wreath. I was trying to take it out of the plastic, but whatever. So you got a bunch of little hearts on this wreath. Thought that was cute. And here's a little heart doily. This one says love. It's got a little pennant, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 little hearts here, and I think you could just use it to layer. And then there's an inner circle here, so you could layer it on top. And then the doily, heart doily effect around the edge. And this one is about 4 inches. That's a good size. Oh, look. Oh, no. They're the exact same. So this one has stitching details, and this one it has it too, but it looks different for some reason. Nope, Eileen, they're exactly the same. So anyway, if anything, I might do a giveaway for that one. Then this is the background layering die. How pretty. Ooh, I'm interested to see how this one looks. Okay, so that is it for the dies so far. Okay, that's what came in. This was all one. All of this is one set. Now, if I had known that this was the exact same thing, I would have ordered something else. Anyway, so be it. I have a box here, so just give me a minute. Anyway, I got these star hearts. This is a KS Craft die. order, sorry. And this is huge. Wow. So there's layer pieces. So you have the outside edge, and then you have this circle here to layer on top. And then you have a smaller doily, and then the circle, and then you have this star layering piece. This one, I think it cuts the stars out like confetti, because I don't see a cutting edge on the this one. So anyway, let's see. This one is just about 5.5 inches. And then the small circle, it's just almost 3 inches. But that smaller star doily is right under 4 inches. So that's not a bad, that's a really good size, like for big wands, you know, when we start making those wands again. That's going to be fun to have. Okay. I got another KS Craft die. I have a few more actually, but they're all coming in separately. So I got the donuts. Yes! The small and the large. And then, let's see. Whoops. Oh, yes, baby. So you've got 4 sizes of donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the biggest, second, third, and fourth. That's so cool. So for the bigger ones, for these two, you have an outer layer, and then you got the top layer and the bottom layer. So I think that's cool. And then I also got the measuring spoons. Now, I don't know what the circle is for, but whatever. I got the measuring spoons, and I think those are going to be cute to put together with my baking set. And then the donuts are so cute for Christian's what is it called? Coffee theme month, coffee month. She just posted it on her Instagram, guys. And then I watched her live this morning. So there we go, because I didn't catch her on the other, when she was live on YouTube. I missed the whole thing. Darn it all. So, okay, that is it for the dies. And then the very last thing I picked up was Ohuhu. I got the 48+1 dual tip light color marker. And thank you to our sis Christian and Louisa, who told me to go for it because it was worth it, and I did. So I only got a small set, and this is the pastel collection that I picked up. But I'm interested to learn because, oh, there's the dual tip. So there's the brush end, and then this is the fine tip. How cool. So this is the blending tool. And I cannot wait to start coloring with this, because the alcohol markers that I bought for our coloring day that Louisa and I had I was not happy, but I will still use it. I just won't use it for my crafting. I'll use it for my everyday coloring book style thing. So yes, I got my markers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me, guys. And I know it's been a while since I've done a live. We'll be going live tomorrow with Louisa on her channel on Thursday. So I'll see you all on the next video. I'm not going to do a sample test because Christian's done one and Louisa's done one. So I'm just going to practice with these. I'm still learning. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.